Good afternoon. My name is Mayra Alexandra Ruano Miño. I am a Caribbean University Corporation student. A magical weekend at the beach. A couple of years ago, my mother was having her birthday, and since she loves the beach together with my father and my sister, we decided to surprise her with a trip to the beach all weekend. Friday afternoon, I got home from work and went to take a shower and pack my suitcase while my mom was preparing dinner without knowing anything. When it was time for dinner and my mother called us to the table, we all went down the stairs with the suitcases and happy birthday cards, which was ended by we decided to celebrate from that moment. My mom thinks we were joking, but when she saw the luggage and everything ready for the trip, she got very excited. When we got to the hotel, the first thing we did with my sister was put on our bathing suit and go to the sea, while my dad was planning a romantic dinner just for him and my mom. That night it was theirs, and the rest of the weekend we saw and played a lot in the sea and on the beach. With my dad, we built a sand coaster while my mom and sister were burying themselves in the sand. It was really fun. Finally, on Sunday night, we said goodbye to the ocean with a beautiful bonfire on the beach. This has been the most beautiful family moment in all my life. I love my parents and my sister so much. Thank you.